What is going on? Welcome back to another video, the first official video in the new office. There is more decorating yet to come, so hopefully the next video I make will be the office tour, so keep an eye out for that. But in today's video, you guys just saw the giant box here. I don't know if you guys really saw it too well, but it is a Deep Cool, let's see, what is this? Dukase? A Deep Cool PC case. So, we're going to unbox this. It looks pretty massive. We will be unboxing this and hopefully putting everything from that PC into this one. So, let's get into it. Alright guys, here we go. There we go. Nice wide angle so we can get this guy out. Okay. I need to get a box cutting knife. Using scissors is not the best way to do this. Alright, that might have been a little loud. Here we go. Wow. This is definitely a nice size case. This is an ATX case, so it can fit a normal size motherboard. Any kind of size motherboard that you have can go into this case. Alright, here it is, guys. Definitely a monster of a case. Wow, that's a big computer. Okay, yeah, so anyways, guys, you can use 120mm fans in here. It is built for an ATX motherboard, micro ATX motherboard, and mini ITX motherboards are supported. You can put radiators in here. Not exactly sure of the sizes just yet. Alright, so let's open her up and see what's inside. Alright. One screw. Probably should not lose those. Nice window here. Came with a little bit of a scratch on it, but it's whatever. Set that there. Nice metal all throughout. Nice metal PSU cover that we can take out here. Some good slots for cable management. Right here is our 120 fan that it comes with. Let's set this over here. And there's a switch right here to control the fan speed. So hopefully I can control all the fan speeds through that, and not just this one. Looks like you have 2 slots for an SSD inside here. And this opens up. You can have, looks like there's a couple slots right here to put your This is so big. That's what she said. Anyways, looks like you can put two. It looks like you have some slots here for, say, an optical drive or some more USB. There's some cutouts here. We can take those out and put that in. This one up top here opens up somehow. Oh. Okay, I got. So up top here, we can have, you can put your radiator if you are liquid cooling, or you can put two more 120 millimeter fans, and that'll help keep the inside, your processor, and everything running smooth and cool. So it looks pretty easy for cable management. Underneath here, you have, looks like you can fit 3 more. Well, that might have been loud. Looks like you can fit 3 more 3.5 millimeter, 3.5 hard drives right in the bottom here. And comes with some cables. Alright. Okay, and we're back, and now it's time to put everything back together. The old computer case is taken apart, and unfortunately I am down a fan because I had to snip this little zip tie here that I was using for cable management and didn't realize that I had my fan cord in the middle of the scissors, kind of. But anyways, this one came with a fan. I have a backup in the drawer that we're going to be installing with this, so let's get to it. Okay. Alright guys, so now we're inside the computer. Anyways. Power supply. Okay guys, so hard drive number 2 has been installed. Now, putting the pieces back together. Alright. Power supply. Alright guys, so it's the next day, we're back, and I finally got everything put together, hooked up back where it's supposed to be. Because of hooking up the power button to the motherboard, I didn't think I was going to be able to do this. Bailey says hi. You wanna, here.
Okay.
Sit right here.
It's me.
It's you. Anyways, because of connecting the motherboard to the power button up here, I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. So I had to research my motherboard manual and figure out the configuration. That way I had all the wires plugged into the right part.
Meow, 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 meow.
Are you a kitty cat? No. Let's stay
Woof,
sitting
woof.
down here.
Woof, woof.
Okay, doggy. Anyways, it's hooked up, put together, and ready to go.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow.
You're saying hi.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you do with that?
But next will be the cable management. Maybe. Oh, watch out, sweetie.
We'll show you that. Sorry, Daddy.
It's okay. Sit down.
Go sit down with that.
Yep. Okay.
What's
That's
this?
fine. That's something I'm doing later. Sorry I didn't go too in-depth about hooking this up with this motherboard and putting everything together. I'll probably do a video more like that once I buy a new motherboard and processor and turn this into a completely different computer than what I started with.
Daddy, what's this? Daddy.
That's Velcro, sweetie. But guys, this is switching out the motherboard to the Deep Cool. I don't know exactly how to say the name, so I'm not going to. But you'll see it in the title or description, wherever. Remember to like and subscribe, guys. Okay?
I'm fine. I'm
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
I'm
And I will... Watch out. Here, sit down. Sit down. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace.